Hi, this is Martin King. Thanks for stopping in today. We're going to be covering our chiller energy usage audit tool. This is part of our U.S. National Survey version. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the input site information field. And before we actually get into the details here, I'd like to point out that we have light colored boxes throughout the program here, and these light colored boxes are hint areas to give you instructions as to the data that we're looking for you to input. So keep an eye out for those. And you'll see that there's some fields throughout the program here that are light colored like this, and these are input cells where we're looking to get information from you. All right? So the first thing we're going to get is your company contact information. We'll need that. And on the right hand side you're going to put your project data, and if you have any specific comments about your project you can input it here in the comment box. We're also asking for there's four quadrants here with 4 different questions, and if you can provide us with that information it'll be very, very helpful to us. So just left click in these white spaces here and just give us that data. It will be really, really helpful for us. Alright, so we're going to click on the weather data selection here, and this is probably one of the most information intensive pages we need to do. There's 4 different steps to it. You'll notice there's white or light colored boxes all over here that give you instructions. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to input your kWh, that's your kilowatts per hour rate, right? So when you left click on the box, you'll notice that a subtle little down arrow came up, and what you're going to do is you're going to select your kWh rate. Now this information is usually available on your utility bill. Step 2, we're asking for your energy source, and this will be available either by calling your utility's 800 number or going to their website. And what we're looking for here is we want to know what energy source your particular utility uses to generate energy. And typically it's going to be as many as two up to 5 different types of energy sources. The idea of it is you want it to equal 100%. Step number 3, we're looking at a U.S. regional map. We've broken the United States up into 7 regions, and all you're going to do here is you're going to left click in this box and you're going to select what particular region you happen to be in, and that fills that out. We do that for calculation of daylight savings time and things like that. And the last step is going to be your climate data, and what you're going to do is you're going to input your target zip code here, wherever the building's at, and you're going to click on this link, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. And what I need you to do is input the average highs and average lows January through December into these fields here. And that takes a few minutes to do it, but not too long. Now one thing to keep in mind, if you're going to be giving us data on, if you're doing research on multiple facilities, the nice thing is if you're not traveling around a whole lot, the only thing you'll have to really fill in is your kWh rate. That will tend to vary depending on the particular building you're in, so, and how the account was set up. So that's pretty much it for that. Then what we're going to do here is we're going to be clicking on your equipment, and the equipment page here is real simple. You're going to input your chiller's make, model, serial number, your tonnage, voltage, your first stage compressor amperage, second stage compressor amperage, your days per week that your chillers are needed to run, your start time for the day, end time for the day, your chiller loading, your set point, and the age of your equipment. So you'll notice too we have these hint boxes at the top of the screen here, and that'll also give you some ideas if there's any specific data you're not sure how to input it into the cells. That's how to do that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Now when you're all done, what I need you to do is go ahead and email this complete Excel file to support@legacychillers.com, and we'll get that, and what's going to happen is it's going to go into our national survey, and within a couple of months we'll have enough data to actually start preparing presentations for our customers and letting them know what their usage is for their chillers, and we're also going to be providing them with information as to what the other respondents to the survey had to say, and we're going to be giving you the ability to compare your usage versus other similar building types. So that's pretty much it. We appreciate that. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 877-988-5464. And again, you can also send questions to us at support@legacychillers.com. Have a great day.